So this is how you can turn your photos into videos using AI. Now this is completely free. You're gonna want to go to pickmagic.co, and now you're gonna want to tap on this upload button in the middle. So simply tap on that, and now it's going to ask you to upload a photo, either from your library, from your files, or you can take a photo right now. So I'm just gonna take a random photo like so. There we go. And now we're gonna want to use this. So it's now loading and basically uploading our photo in there. And what we're gonna want to do now is basically just type in an email. This is so that you can sign in and use their product for completely free. There you go. It says your photo is being created. Please do not leave the page. So it's going to take about a minute, which is really not that long. So just simply wait, and it's going to give us what we ask for. And here we are. So now, as you can see, it actually created a video out of our random image. So just imagine if you actually put a good image like with a person in it, it's going to create a good video out of that for completely free. Now tap on the download button, and you finally have your video for free, and it was really easy. It took like under 2 minutes. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.